on the fasten seatbelt sign. We would also advise that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened throughout the flight. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers in case anything would have become dislodged during the takeoff process and fall out, causing an injury either to you or to another. In the seat function vestibule, you'll find a copy of our travel magazine, Cara. Feel free to take this issue home with you if you wish. As always, we will be beginning our in-flight service shortly, and we start with our bar. It's well stocked with soft drinks, wines, beers and spirits. All soft drinks are complimentary, and you'll find prices for everything else in the back pages of the magazine. Should you like to enjoy a glass of red or white wine with your meal, it is available for purchase during the bar. Also available for purchase during the bar is a selection from our PA Treats range. There's some cookies, chocolates and crisps, or for later on during the flight, if you're watching a movie and you feel like a mid-movie snack, they're available in the aft galley at any stage. Once drinks have been served throughout the cabin, we'll begin our lunch service. Please understand if due to a previous passenger selection, your choice isn't always available. And this will be served with your choice of a cup of tea or coffee. We know that you had a choice who to fly with today. We're delighted you chose us, and we'll do our best now as a crew